Hi guys, I have a couple of questions for you and I was solving them. So let's get started with our first question. The given information is that p of x is equal to kx for x values which are 1, 2, 3 up to 7, and it wants us to find k. So as we know, the sum of all probabilities is 1 and it is valid everywhere, and we can write x equal to 1 up to 7 p of x, and we can write it here, p of 3 up to 7, and we know that it is k, it is 2k, 3k, 4k, 5k, 6k and 7k, and is equal to 1, 28k is equal to 1, and k is 1 over 28. So our second question is pretty easy. Calculate p of x for 3 you know p of x, it is x over 28 because of the k value is 1 over 28, and it is 3, and the answer is 3 over 28. Sorry for the and our third question is p of x which is less than or equal to 4. Here actually it is a cumulative distribution function question, and we know how to do that. So it is a 4 function of 4 and is equal to this one, and we are at them up to we are adding them up until 4, 3, because this one is 4, and this is 1 over 28, 2 over 28, 3 over 28, and 4 over 28. It is 5 over 14. This is the answer. And then calculate expected x. So we know the formula, we know how to do that, and so let's get started. Expected x is equal to this. So we actually know the x values and their probabilities, so let's get a table for this. This is the x values and this is their probabilities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Its probability is 1 over 28, 2 over 28, 3 over 28, 4 over 28, 5 over 28, 6 over 28, and 7 over 28. So we just multiply them and adding them up. 1 times 1 over 28, 2 times 2 over 28, 3 times 0, and up to 7. Up to this. And here I calculated this before, so the answer is 140 over 28 is equal to 5. It is our answer. So our new question is calculating the variance of x. Actually here we have to know the formula of the variance. It is e parenthesis x minus expected x square, this one, and here we know the expected x, and from the previous question we have found that 5, and you can write that here, and it is easy to solve. Here we can write x squared minus 10x and 25. So we multiply them by e, so it is e of x squared minus 10e of x plus 25. Here we know this, it is 5, and e of x squared minus 25. Now we have to calculate this in order to keep going our question. So here we actually know how to do that. Is we write here not x, we are writing here x squared because the value is x squared. So this one, you know that it is x over 28 and two values. So 1 square times 1 over 28, 2 square times 2, 28, up to 7 square times 7 over 28, and here is 784 over 28 is equal to 28. So our e of x squared is 28, right here 28 minus, and the variance of x is 3. That's it. And the last question is this. This is the last question, and actually from now on we can do that easily because we did the same process in this question here. As you see, it is the same thing. So sorry, multiply them by e. 3e of x squared minus 4e of x plus 5. We know that it is 28 and it is 5 and it is already 5. So here it is 84 minus 20 plus 5. The answer is 69. That's all for today. See you guys.